Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll tell how to clean your PC and make it super fast like a train. So let's start without wasting our time. To clean your PC, you must open File Explorer, open File, and click on drive which you want to clean. For example, I want to clean C drive, so right click on C drive, and click on Properties. You can see it is open now. Click on Disk Cleanup. You can see it is cleaning now. Tick all the boxes and clean your system file. You can see it is clean now. It can take 1 to 2 minutes to clean, so we must wait. You can see it is clean now. Tick all the boxes and click OK. Delete files. It can also take 1 to 2 minutes, so you must wait. The next step is to open Run window. You can click Window plus R in your keyboard, or you can type Run. Open Run and write %temp%, %10%. Click on OK. You should select all the file and delete it. You can delete it by selecting Ctrl plus A and Shift plus Delete key in your keyboard. You should delete it. Again open Run, Window plus R you can press. Write TEMP. Remove percent sign from it and write only TEMP. Continue it. Select all, delete it. You can see your laptop is running so fast. Thank you.